DisplayPort to DVI adapter, DisplayPort 1.2 HBR2 to DVI-D, digital only, single link adapter connects DVI display, projector, 1920x 1210 80p 60 Hz, HDCP 1.4, 6, 15 cm, attached cable, DisplayPort Certified. Compatibility. Passive video converter supports DP++ source incl workstations, desktops, AMD, Nvidia, laptops, small form factor computers docking stations. Connect a primary or secondary display. Connect a DVI monitor or projector, or add a second display to your workstation using the DP to DVI adapter. Tested with DVI cables up to 25 feet, EDID DDC pass-through ensure compatibility between source display. Latching DisplayPort screw locking DVI. Latching DP connector ensures a solid host connection, supports DVI screw locking cable to prevent cable from coming loose or accidental disconnection, compact design. Easy to use. With no software or drivers required, the DP to DVI adapter converter works with any OS. DisplayPort male to DVI female adapter dongle connector as DVI-I, however only a digital signal, DVI-D, passes through. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly. Used this to connect my 10-plus-year-old Dell monitor into a new graphics card that only had HDMI and DisplayPort. No problems, just plugged it in and worked exactly as expected.